Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Leo and I are at a park that has a trail. It is the Black Mountain Park. We discovered this spot a couple weeks ago. Oh, nice jump, buddy. We're going this way, pal. Come on. We discovered this spot a couple weeks ago and we're making our return. We've hit the trail, part of the trail. We're gonna hit the other part today. Come on, pal. Lead the way, buddy. Actually, we are off trail just a little bit, but that's okay. Come on, buddy. It is a gorgeous Thursday morning in March. Good job, buddy. And we're just gonna check it out over here. Big man, should we keep going? Let's do it. Let's do it. You want to jump this again, buddy? So you can tell in the distance there's a park. Leo looks like he wants to get to the park. We'll see if we can't sneak through this way. Let's go, buddy. Where are you going, pal? Want to go to the park? Ah, it's too steep, buddy. Too steep. Let's go this way. We'll go to the park. Uh-oh. Jump it, buddy. Nice jump. So change of plans because Leo has just been staring at the green grass and I think he wants to head over there today. So that's what we're gonna do. We'll hit this trail another time and we'll run over to the park and run around some grass for the big fella. Jump it, buddy. Nice jump. Now, Leo does talk to me from time to time, non-verbally, and he was definitely telling me that he wants to get to the park. So that's where we're going. Let's go. You got a wide open park. Lots of grass, lots of smells for us today. And I can't blame the big man. If he's feeling like he wants grass on his feet instead of the dirt and rocks, then that's what we do. It's a pretty nice setup to have these parks and trails so close to each other. I know Leo appreciates it. Hey, buddy, we'll go for a run? Yes, you do. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. All right, big fella, come on. Let's go this way. Come on. Let's go. All right, buddy, come on. The big man does stop on a dime. think we're gonna go check out if there's a trail path beyond these fences. Let's go check, big boy. Nope, doesn't look like it. So at this park, there's a couple of baseball, softball fences, fields, and then leads out to a canyon. There's also trails in that direction. That is Black Mountain, they call it. Come on, pal. Come on, Smelzer. Come on. All right. Not sure what kind of plant that was, but if we don't know, we just keep it moving. I have noticed the last couple days Leo's been a little reluctant to want to do any long walks or anything in the afternoon sun, so we're going to take it pretty easy. Just let the big fella sniff as he will. We thank our new subscribers and all of the comments that we get. We appreciate it. And the likes. Thank you, guys. Leo and I lead a very quiet, peaceful, and relaxed lifestyle, and we are more than happy to share with you guys. So thank you for the support. And also, if you guys have any ideas of where you'd like us to go, please let us know. There's an opening in the fence here. We're gonna go check it out. Maybe we can discover a path that we can go check out another day. Come on, fella. Come on, big fella. Let's go see what's over here. Would you look at this? So behind this field is this opening in the fence. Let's go see where this leads, buddy. Let's go see where this leads. Come here, pup. Ooh, look at this, Pops. Hang on, buddy. It's a canyon view. Looks like a road. Doesn't look like a trail, definitely looks like a road. What do you think, handsome? Let's see where this goes, buddy. There's a big storage container here, so don't think we are the only ones to be here. Come on, buddy. Let's go see where this goes. Cool place to watch the game if someone you know is playing. Come on, pal. No, looks like just a road. Look at a canyon view. What do you think, big man? Should we keep going? Some people out there looking to fly a kite. A little light on wind, but I like the idea. All right, pal, come on. Come on, buddy. Nope, looks like just a road, so no trail to be had back here, but we'll go check it out a little bit more anyway. Come on, bud. Come on, buddy. Yeah, no trail over here, but we'll check out what's at the end of the road before headed back. Nope. Just a dead end down there. And this way is... What's over here, pal? Interesting. Should we go down there, buddy? Another day? All right, another day. Come on. All right, guys, we're gonna sniff around here a little bit, judging by Leo's behavior. It doesn't look like he's up for much adventure other than sniffing and rolling around, so I think that's precisely what we're going to do. We thank you guys for joining us today. We'll keep it pretty short. Buddy, you want to say goodbye? You want to say goodbye? He's a man of few words. Thanks for coming with us, guys.